Let's do a haul of some things that I bought from Dischem. I have bought this face wash. I already opened it because I was out of face wash already. I'm trying out this CeraVe foam cleanser. I don't know how it's gonna treat my face. This one is very good on my face though. It's so glossy. It doesn't make my face dry. It has so much moisture in it. Okay, I have bought this mask off. I have bought this face scrub. I haven't used it yet. I have bought this fabric softener. I've bought 2 of these. Goodness, let's talk about the price of this one. I don't know how it treats me, because after applying this, I apply the oil from Pep. After applying that, I also apply this on. This goes together. And I bought my face moisturizer. It has SPF 50. Lastly, I bought these 2, the Ordinary and the Skin Functional Dark Management, and the Niacinamide and Zinc. And that's all. Dumelang, hi besties, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ntabiseng Siletela. I hope you stay. I hope you hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. Hi besties. So many things happened. My birthday passed already. We have hit 100 subscribers. We're gonna celebrate my birthday, and we're gonna celebrate my 100 subbies. I love you besties. I love you so much. I love you all. You don't wanna know. So I have passed through Woolies yesterday, and I have bought these and some water. You can never have enough of water. Please make sure to stay hydrated. I know it's raining, it's no longer that hot, but keep the hydration going. Oh, and I'm so grateful for my 100 subbies, to many more subbies to come. Thank you so much for clicking on this video as well. Enjoy. We're gonna cut the cake and I'll enjoy on your behalf. It doesn't sound right, but I will enjoy on. I have a couple of glasses that I bought the previous Woolies sale. I have bought glasses, and like, oh my goodness me, I know but I haven't opened them with you here on the vlog. So I want to show you how the glasses are, because I want to use one of them now. I want to use one of them just now. The glass looks like this. And they were going for 119 rand, and I bought them 41 rand each. So I have bought 4 of these. I bought 4. You see? So the 4th one is this one here, and I haven't washed these. I'll wash them a bit later on, because for now I want to use this one here. So let's rinse this one. And I'm gonna use these. Yeah. already my birthday passed on the 6th. It was my birthday on the 6th of Jan. And I didn't have a cake. So today, I'm gonna have a slice of cake. Here's to 100 stubbies, to many more. This is so nice. Let me finish my cake. We'll talk. Well, the cake is done now. I've finished. I'm only left with my Cosmo. This thing here. I bought myself a birthday present, and this is it. I went and bought myself a Stanley. Oh Lord, I cannot wait to use this. I bought myself a Stanley Bakulu. I bought myself this as a birthday present. Guys, normalize buying yourselves gifts, because tell me why. I know it's January. Nobody has money. But then imagine how fair it would be if when you keep on buying people presents, and when you never receive some on your birthday, because you've forever been told about your birthday being on January, how people are broke. January babies, please do better. For your own inner peace and sanity, please do better. Buy yourselves gifts. As a belief. I'm kidding, guys, but yeah, buy yourselves gifts. Where are you gonna get the gifts if not from yourself? Who's gonna buy you gifts? Well, I always buy myself some gifts, you know. So I bought myself this Stanley because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. It comes with this little booklet thingy and this Stanley cup. I love this. Everywhere I go. Oh no. Okay, I bought the Stanley from at home and it was 1,299 rands. Yep. 2025 is for glowing, hey? If you're not glowing at 2025, I warata. Uyathanda. If you're not glowing at 2025, I guys. So today we'll be doing glow juice with my carrots. I do not have oranges. I'll use grapefruit, lemons, and ginger. Well, I'm gonna add turmeric and cayenne pepper to my glow juice today. A part of me wants to add pineapple as well. I don't know, I'll see. I've been gathering these small thingy, so I want to use them. I'm gonna wash them nicely and remove all these papers here. Bought this strainer I bought it from Pep Home. Got 21.99. So I want to use this to strain. In future, get a juicer. So now that I don't have many, I'm gonna use this one. Let me wash this as well before I start. You can tell this is my first time doing this kind of a thing. Maybe I'll use half of it. We are done, guys. I ended up doing 1 pineapple, 1 lemon, 2 carrots, 1 grapefruit, and ginger. This is so bitter. I didn't do 2. Yo. But then it's your own glow juice. You decide how you want it. What's left, but still there's a remaining something on the bottom. So for now I'm gonna pour this in the bottles and put them in the fridge, and I'll be taking 1 bottle a day. I wanna pour just small now.
Yeah.